Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to force restart your device. So force restart or soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can try to force restart it, and all we have to do in order to do that is to press the power button, which is right here, and volume down button together, and wait until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So of course this combination of keys will take a screenshot, but no worries, just ignore it. Alright, so let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons simultaneously and hold. Of course we've got the screenshot, but that's okay, just ignore it and keep pressing both of those buttons. Just keep pressing. It should take approximately 10 seconds. We've got the black screen, which is really good sign. We've got the developer's logo, which is really good also. Again, the developer's logo. And now I believe we can release the fingers and our device will be restarted. So we have to see the developer's logo twice, so you can be sure that you just successfully force restarted your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.